And here it is. The new Siemens SGT-750. Continuing a proud tradition of Siemens, this turbine is made to be counted on and counted with in all applications. Combining heritage with leading-edge design and engineering, this is a piece of machinery that is designed to deliver maximized customer value day in, day out. The rotors incorporate the heritage of Siemens electron beam welding. The single rigid compressor rotor body ensures reliable, stable, and uniform run-up in hot or cold conditions. Axial blade attachment grooves allow blade replacement without rotor removal. The turbine discs are bolted to the compressor rotor and supported with mineral oil lubricated long-life tilting pad bearings. The balancing planes allow field balancing on-site without disassembly. The compressor is a 13-stage axial flow compressor with a 24:1 pressure ratio. It offers a controlled diffusion airfoil for high efficiency and 2 variable guide vanes for optimized performance, even in the most extreme conditions. The new combustor, featuring the 4th generation of DLE burners from Siemens. The burners are designed to further increase the power turndown range compared to its predecessors, maintaining NOx and CO emissions well within legislation levels. The DLE turndown capability enables the use of large single turbines, replacing multiple small units, allowing the same operating envelope. It offers robust and stable operation with dual fuel online switchover capabilities. Now, let's move downstream to the compressor turbine. The compressor turbine blades are made from conventional materials with several years of proven experience for maximized durability. To ensure perfect performance over time, online monitoring infrared cameras can be mounted on the SGT-750, allowing detailed temperature measurement of the rotating blades. All SGT-750s are mapped with the online monitoring IR cameras during engine delivery tests and later verified during regular scheduled inspections. The free power turbine is a 2-stage high-speed module nominally running at 6,100 RPM. It's equally suitable for mechanical drive application or, with speed reduction gear, power generation. The free power turbine makes the unit an excellent choice where grid requirements call for maintained power output in the event of frequency drops. It can be optimized for all ambient conditions, Arctic, temperate, and tropical climates. Let's have a look at some of the important supporting systems, starting with the drop-in design lube oil unit, the purge air unit and cooler for liquid fuel operation, the washing unit, cooling and sealing air system with easy access valves, and the gas fuel unit with shutoff valves and control valves. The overall package is designed to provide owner confidence. The modular design supports easy maintenance and maximized uptime. The built-in comfort and peace of mind extends to every aspect of ownership, from maintenance contracts to retiring and replacement. When the SGT-750 is due for service, the gas generator can be swapped in just 24 hours. All this new technology, paired with Siemens' proven solution-oriented approach, has resulted in a turnkey product that is fit for hard work in many demanding applications within the oil and gas industry as well as in the energy sector. Together with the other solutions in the Siemens Energy Total offer, the new SGT-750 will contribute to generating power and value for decades to come.
Without cogs and gears, the world would grind to a halt. More than 1 billion gears are produced globally every year. In order to make gear production more efficient, LMT has developed a global first. SpeedCore. SpeedCore is a revolutionary cutting material with unique properties, the basis of a new and groundbreaking generation of hubs. SpeedCore outstrips the performance of traditional HSS hubs and achieves cutting figures that were previously the preserve of solid carbide mills. The secret of its superior performance? Secondary hardening using intermetallic phases. The carbon-free synthesis of iron, cobalt, and molybdenum permits an increase in high-temperature hardness without any loss of strength. And yet, the new cutting material is just one component of the SpeedCore hub. Its full potential is only realized with the addition of a tailor-made coating. LMT Nanosphere, the world's first nano-composite coating for gear hubs. The coating is built up atom by atom and protects the tool from heat and mechanical strain. Thanks to this coating, a tool has emerged which is more wear-resistant, temperature-resistant, and productive than any competitor product. The proof. SpeedCore hubs used in gear manufacture achieve 50% greater output in 30% less production time. In tests, the enhanced heat resistance resulted in an increase in cutting speed of up to 50%. To cut a long story short, the costs per gear fall by up to 30%. So what do you have to do? Just swap hubs and reset the processing parameters. No extra investments, no changes to workflow, no special staff training. The SpeedCore hub can be reconditioned without difficulty up to 12 times. The performance guarantee for the LMT hubbing system also applies to SpeedCore. Innovative cutting materials, tailor-made high-performance coatings, specialized engineering, and global service, as well as a reconditioning network. What the LMT SpeedCore Gear Hub means for you in concrete terms: at least 50% more gears per tool and significantly lower unit cost. SpeedCore, high performance for your gear production.